Hey, are you excited about Holi?
Yeah, definitely. It's one of my favorite festivals. The colors, the joy, everything about it is just amazing.
Totally agree. Do you have any special plans for Holi this year?
Not really, probably just celebrating with family and friends. How about you?
Same here. Although, I heard there's a big Holi event happening downtown. Thinking of checking it out.
Oh, that sounds fun. I've never been to a big holy event like that before.
Yeah, it could be a great experience. Plus, they usually have music, food, and lots of colors, of course.
Sounds like a blast. But I also love the traditional aspect of Holi, like playing with gulal and eating guzias.
Absolutely can't beat the classic Holi traditions. It's all about spreading love and happiness, right?
Definitely. It's a time to forget all differences and just enjoy the moment together.
Couldn't have said it better. So, are you ready to get drenched in colors?
Absolutely. Let's make this Holi the most colorful one yet.
I'm glad you're up for it. I'm already planning my strategy to dodge those water balloons.
Haha, good luck with that. I'll make sure to aim straight for you.
Challenge accepted. But hey, Holi isn't just about the colors and water fights, right? There's also the cultural significance behind it.
That's true. It's a time to celebrate the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring. Plus, it's a chance to strengthen bonds with family and friends.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the delicious Holi sweets. I can already taste the gujias and thandai.
Oh, don't even get me started on the food. It's one of the highlights of the festival for sure.
Definitely. Hey, speaking of food, do you want to join me for some Holi snacks after the event downtown?
That sounds like a plan. I'm in.
Great. It'll be the perfect way to end the day, sharing laughter and stories over some yummy treats.
Couldn't agree more. I can't wait for Holi this year.
Me neither. It's going to be epic. You know, Holi always reminds me of the importance of joy and unity in our lives.
Absolutely, it's a time to let go of all negativity and embrace positivity and love.
Exactly. And it's not just about celebrating within our own community, it's about sharing the joy with everyone, regardless of differences.
That's a beautiful way to look at it. Holi truly brings people together in a spirit of harmony and happiness.
Definitely. And I think it's important to carry that spirit with us beyond just one day. We should strive to spread love and acceptance every day.
I couldn't agree more. Let's make this Holi a celebration of not just colors, but also of compassion and understanding.
Well said. Here's to a Holi filled with laughter, friendship, and lots of colorful memories.
Cheers to that. Happy Holi!